ever see someone out there looking all fly, whether they are at an event, on a date, shopping, running errands, and you wonder how on earth do they look so effortlessly good? Well, guess what? Most of them did not just wake up like that. It's actually an art to look put together. I'm Walu, your go-to skincare and makeup bestie, and today I'm spilling the chai with 5 killer tips that will make you turning your head wherever you go. Whether it's for Valentine's Day or any other occasion, I've got you. Now let's get you that Korean glass skin glow, salon-like freshly blonde hair, and outfit that looks good as new. There are 2 major things you need to look like you just stepped out of a Korean music video. And let's shine! If your skin feels rough, crusty, dull, it needs to go. Whip in AHA of your choice and exfoliate the night before a big event. This step effectively removes the buildup of dead skin cells, revealing a softer and brighter complexion. Furthermore, it enhances product absorption, a crucial factor for the next step. Our body is made up of 70% water, so hydration is very important. Same goes for our skin prep, and honestly, it's the key to Korean glass skin. Some of you might be wondering, though you hydrate well, where's the glow? Here's the sauce. You need to exfoliate too, silly. Sheet masks, layering toners, and a trusty facial mist are your BFF for that glow from within. It is a no-brainer when it comes to hair. We all know that having a good hair day can turn your whole vibe around. But when your hair isn't cooperating, it's a whole mood killer. And most of the time, you can blame your hair if you haven't invested into taking care of it. Here are another 2 tips to keep your confidence up by 100%. In most cases, the difference between having cleaned, well-groomed hair and the opposite is the key to feeling 100% confident. Pro tip: for dry or frizzy hair, overnight wash is recommended, while those with oilier hair can opt for a morning wash. Oh, and consider using hair treatments or nourishing hair mist to create an alluring presence at any gathering. If you have ever left the salon after a haircut or washed your hair professionally blonde and set, you know the feeling of having an amazing, soft and styled hair. No matter your haircut, a little blow-dry action and styling will have you looking like one of the Air Force. Before we move on to the next part, hit the like button if you have gotten tips you need. It isn't always about new clothes to look like $1,000,000. Sometimes it's all about wrinkle-free clothes. It shows you put effort and care about how you present yourself. Whether it's for a job interview or on a date, clothes will press tells the world, hey, I've got my life together, and puts you on top of your game. Plus, it boosts your own confidence. So take a few minutes to steam or iron your outfits before stepping out to look effortlessly good. Now that you have got all the tips, take it into action and let us know how it goes. If you have got more tips which have helped you, drop them in our comments below and we shall add them in our next series. So subscribe to not miss any of our videos where you can be the best of the best.